front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. To clone apps on this Samsung smartphone, you don't need any apps or tricks. That's because Samsung devices allow its users to clone using device's settings. To do it now, let's go into settings right away. Scroll when you're ready to tap on advanced features available here. Then scroll all the way down. Now it's time to click on Dual Messenger and click on a gray switcher next to one of your apps you wanna clone. Then hit install in the pop-up and wait. So when I go back and check, I can see that my app was successfully cloned. If you want to delete this clone, go back to the same settings and use no blue switcher next to your app. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can also, if you decided to clone any app, tap on Use Separate Contact List. Enable it thanks to gray switcher here. Tap on Select Contacts to tap on Add at the top right corner and then pick them. When you're finished, hit Done. To disable this option later on, use the same No Blue switcher and hit OK and use your regular contacts pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!